This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough. Let's start directly with pricing, because this is where the biggest structural differences show up between FreshBooks and ZipBooks. FreshBooks uses a tiered monthly subscription model that scales primarily based on the number of clients you bill and the features you unlock. The Lite plan is priced at around $8.40 per month during promotional periods and allows invoicing for up to 5 clients, which works for very small freelancers just starting out. The Plus plan, which is the most popular, comes in at roughly $15.20 per month and increases the client limit to 50 while adding proposals, retainers, recurring invoices, and deeper reporting. The premium plan costs about $26 per month and removes client limits entirely, making it more suitable for agencies or growing service businesses. There is also a select tier with custom pricing for larger teams that need lower transaction fees, dedicated support, and higher customization. ZipBooks approaches pricing very differently. It offers a genuinely free starter plan that includes unlimited invoicing, unlimited vendors and customers, basic reports, and digital payment acceptance. This makes ZipBooks immediately attractive for cost-sensitive users who want to issue invoices without committing to a subscription. The Smarter plan costs about $15 per month and adds recurring invoices, automated reminders, time tracking, and support for multiple bank connections. The Sophisticated plan jumps to roughly $35 per month and introduces advanced categorization, locking completed books, stronger reporting, and document sharing. ZipBooks also offers an accountant plan designed for firms managing multiple clients. Moving into FreshBooks features, the platform is designed primarily for service-based businesses rather than traditional accounting workflows. FreshBooks focuses heavily on invoicing, client management, time tracking, and expense tracking. Users can create professional invoices, automate late payment reminders, accept online payments through credit cards and ACH, and track expenses in real time. The platform also includes estimates, proposals, and client retainers, which are particularly useful for consultants, designers, and agencies. Time tracking integrates directly with invoicing, allowing billable hours to be converted into invoices with minimal friction. FreshBooks also includes project profitability tracking, recurring billing, bank connections, and accountant access, making collaboration with bookkeepers straightforward. Reporting covers profit and loss, tax summaries, expense breakdowns, and invoice aging, although it is intentionally simplified compared to full accounting systems. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for non-accountants, which reduces onboarding time significantly. However, FreshBooks does have limitations. Costs increase as client counts grow, which can make it expensive over time compared to tools that don't cap clients. Inventory management is essentially non-existent, and advanced accounting features like detailed chart of accounts customization or complex reconciliations are limited. Businesses that need deep accounting controls may eventually outgrow FreshBooks. It also relies entirely on cloud access, which may not suit users who want offline control. Overall, FreshBooks excels at usability and client billing, but trades depth for simplicity. ZipBooks also places a strong emphasis on helping business owners understand their numbers without needing formal accounting knowledge. Its dashboard highlights trends in income, expenses, and overall financial health, rather than overwhelming users with dense accounting terminology. This makes it especially appealing to freelancers, solo founders, and early-stage businesses that want clarity instead of complexity. The software encourages consistent bookkeeping habits by surfacing insights automatically, such as identifying which clients pay fastest, which invoices are overdue, and where expenses are trending upward over time. Another notable feature in ZipBooks is its focus on smart workflows. Automated invoice reminders reduce late payments without awkward follow-ups, while recurring invoices help stabilize monthly cash flow for retainer-based work. Time tracking integrates directly into billing, allowing tracked hours to convert into invoices with minimal effort. For users on higher tiers, the ability to lock completed accounting periods adds an extra layer of control, preventing accidental edits once books are finalized. This is particularly useful when working with external accountants or preparing reports for tax filing. From a usability perspective, ZipBooks maintains a lightweight and responsive interface. Navigation is simple, menus are clearly labeled, and most tasks can be completed in just a few clicks. This reduces training time and lowers the barrier to entry for users transitioning from spreadsheets or manual tracking. However, that simplicity can also feel limiting for businesses that require advanced customization. Chart of accounts flexibility, complex inventory workflows, and industry-specific accounting features are relatively limited compared to more robust accounting platforms. When evaluating pros and cons, ZipBooks stands out for its generous free plan, automation-first design, and approachable reporting. It is an excellent fit for users who want basic bookkeeping, invoicing, and insights without paying upfront. On the downside, payroll is not included natively. Integrations are fewer than those offered by larger competitors, and scaling beyond small teams can feel restrictive. Support depth and advanced configuration options may also fall short for businesses with more complex financial needs. In terms of user feedback, FreshBooks currently holds a Trustpilot rating of approximately 3.8 out of 5 based on a large volume of reviews, with users frequently praising its polished invoicing, ease of use, and customer support, while mentioning rising costs as a common concern. ZipBooks has a much smaller review footprint on Trustpilot, with limited reviews and an average rating around the mid-3 range where available. Because ZipBooks has fewer public reviews, these ratings should be viewed as directional rather than definitive. Review scores can change over time and may vary significantly depending on user expectations and use cases, so checking the most recent listings is always recommended. The final takeaway is straightforward. FreshBooks is best suited for service-based businesses that value client communication, professional invoicing, and an intuitive user experience, even if that comes at a higher long-term cost. ZipBooks is better for budget-conscious users who want automation, a free starting point, and simple financial clarity without committing to a full accounting suite. Click the link below to explore both platforms in detail and decide which one aligns best with how you manage your business. If this comparison helped clarify your options, like the video, subscribe to the channel and use the links below to access the software directly.